Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. A man was preparing the breakfast. He was moving his hands so fast, so much work was pending. He already made a list in his mind. Suddenly, another man came there and hugged him from backside. He lifted his hoodie a little bit and tightly hugged his bare waist. Junki whispered in his ear, "Good morning, my love." Gently bite on his earlobe. Jimin, still working. Morning. Junki, what's this cold behavior? At least give me a kiss and make my morning sweetest, said by sliding his hands upward. Junki, Jimin pushed him. What are you doing? Junki pulled him back. Loving my universe, said by placing feather kisses on his side neck. Jimin, leave me. I don't have time for this. I have so much work to do. Pushed him. Junki, haven't you heard? If you start the day with sweetness, then your whole day will spend good. Pulled him back by holding his hand. Jimin, you want sweet now? I will give you coffee with extra sugar. Now leave me. Junki, what if I say no then? Jimin, pick this spatula. Then you will get a hit by this. Junki, there are so many other ways to punish me, said in whispering tone. Jimin, what happened to you? What type of thing are you talking about? Junki, it's called love. Jimin, stop behaving like a teenager. You are dad of 2 children. Junki, what's the relationship in between children and age? Now leave your shyness and give me a kiss. Jimin, how much shameless are you? Junki, I want a kiss by my husband and in my house. What shameless thing in this? Jimin, shut up. It doesn't suit on your age. Junki, you are talking like I am 60 years old. Even if I will turn 60, then also I will love you like this. Cupped his face. Jimin, leave me. Jimin was about to shout, but Junki quickly attached his thin lips with his plumpy lips and started it. He carried him without breaking the kiss and made him sit on the kitchen counter. He was kissing him like there was no tomorrow. Soon their soft kiss turned into intense one. Jungi removed his shirt and they both were still kissing. Jungi grabbed Jimin's hoodie's waistband and pulled it upward and broke the. They both started panting. Jimin removed his hoodie through his head and threw it on the floor. He lightly pushed him and his back touched the cold wall of kitchen, which gave him chill shiver. Jungi held Jimin's both hands in his hands and locked them. He was about to on his level, but he heard the voice of his twin sons. Jimin quickly pushed him and jumped on the floor and bore his hoodie and held a spatula and pretending to work. Jungi was so mad. That appa papa. Jimin turned around. Yes, Titi, what happened? Appa, Cookie punched Titi. Titi's nose is hurting so much. Cookie there. Appa, don't listen to Titi. First Titi started the fighting. Titi looked at him. What did Titi do? Titi didn't even say anything to Cookie. Titi was only sleeping. Cookie punched on Titi's nose and pushed Titi too. It's good that Titi has long hands, so Titi held the bed. Otherwise, Titi will fall on the floor. Cook. Titi snatched Cookie's carrot blanket. Cookie knows Titi has evil eyes on Cookie's carrot blanket. Ting. Why would Titi have any evil eyes on Cookie's carrot blanket? Titi already has Titi's soft strawberry blanket. Cook. How would Cookie know this? Yoongi, frustrated to hear their bickering. Morning hadn't yet started and you both started bickering. Go to your room and sleep more. I will come to wake you up. T went to him. Tata, why are you standing here? Yoongi widened his eyes. These bands are visible. Invisibles, can't you see them? T. Titi can see. Titi has two big eyes. See? Widened his eyes. Cook picked his shirt and gave to him. Dada, wear this fast. Yoongi, no, I don't want to wear. It's my house. I can roam here like this. Threw the shirt on his face and opened the fridge and picked the bottle of drink. Tea. No, Dada can't stay like this. What if anyone sees Dada like this? Yoongi, while drinking, they will think I'm so hot and handsome. Cook. Wrong. They will think Titi and Cookie didn't give Dada any money to buy clothes. Tea. Dada will cut Titi and Cookie's nose. Yoongi spit the water and started coughing. I will cut your nose. Cook noted it vigorously. Yes, Titi and Cookie are very respected boys. All the boys came to Titi and Cookie to ask help. Yoongi looked at them. Your help. Cook noted it vigorously. Yes, if anyone wants to sneak in neighbor's garden to get a ball and plug the fuse, then they come to Titi. And if anyone wants to fight and break the things, then they come to Cookie. Yoongi, what the dangerous children are they? Started wearing his shirt. Cook hugged him his one leg. Appa, give Cookie patty. T hugged his another leg. And Titi too. Jimin, while working, Titi, Cookie asked your dada. Appa is busy in making breakfast. Yoongi, come, let's go. T Cook, no. Dada didn't know about Titi and Cookie's things. Dada always mixed up everything. Yoongi held both of them by their clothes in his each hand. Don't disturb my husband. Started walking. T Cook, while hanging in air. Appa! Time skipped after some times. Yoongi came to the living room while holding his tie and laptop bag. He placed the laptop bag on the couch and said, Yoongi, Jimin, tie it fast. I am trying to tying a perfect knot, but it's not happening. Jimin looked at him. Give it to me. Started tying. Yoongi grabbed his waist. Do you know how much beautiful you look in this messy hairs and irritated face? Jimin blessed heart. Stop it. Leave me before Steve could come. Yoongi placed his index finger on his lips. We shouldn't waste the time and grabbed this opportunity. Leaned closer to him. Jimin, what happened? Yoongi, while rubbing his back, I got the hit. Again got the hit. Jimin hit, but here is no one. Saw the sleepers. T ran to them and hugged Jimin tightly. Don't worry, Appa. Titi will save you. Yoongi, save him, but from whom? Cook pushed Yoongi and he fell on the couch. From Dada. Climbed on him. Yoongi, from me, but what did I do? Cook, Dada was going to hurt Appa. Yoongi, why would I hurt my husband? I have very important meeting. Jimin was only helping me in tying the tie. Showed him his tie, which is undone. T. Dada wants only tie, na? Yoongi, T. Dada shouldn't need to come closer to Appa. Took the tie from his neck. Appa, make a knot and give to Dada. Jimin, Titi, for making a perfect knot, I need a person. T climbed on the couch. Then tie it on Titi. Titi is here. Yoongi, you little bunny, leave my hand. He's my husband. Why can't I go closer to him? Cook, no, Tata can't go closer to Appa. Appa is only eating cookies. Yoongi, first he is my husband, then your Appa. If I hadn't got married with him, then where would you both come from? Cook covered his mouth by his tiny baby hands. Dada started talking a lot. Once eating cookies said that Appa is only eating cookies, then Appa is only eating cookies. Now no more that argument. Here we go again. Jimin tied the knot and T gave to Yoongi. Both T-Cook dragged Yoongi outside of the house. They both were Yunmin's twin son. They both were born with sensor. Whenever Yunmin were together and tried to spend some quality times, don't know where they get to know this from and immediately come to Yunmin to ruin their special moments. T-Cook were this much possessive towards Jimin that they didn't even let Yunmin sit together. They always became third wheel in their romance. Yoongi was so trust-fated because he can't sleep without hugging Jimin, but now they both slept in between. Time skipped at office. Yoongi was checking the details of files and discussing some important points with his business partner, June. June, Yoongi, what do you think about Mr. Lee's proposal? Yoongi, his proposal is good, actually very good, but there is a problem. June, what's the problem? Yoongi, his building is city's other side, which is still underdeveloped. If we open our new branch there, then our employees will have to face many difficulties like conveyance and food. June, that's the question to think, but at this price we won't get that building. That area is underdeveloped, that's why it's cheap. Yoongi, yeah, I know, but we shouldn't only think about our profit, we should think about employees too. June, you are right. I have an idea. What if we buy a bus for those employees who will work in our new branch? Bus will pick and drop them safely to their home. It will be safe and secure. And about food, so we already have cafeteria. Everyone can eat from there. Yoongi, your idea is good. I will talk with Mr. Lee about this. Rubbed his forehead. June, what happened? Yoongi, nothing, it's just a headache. T-Cook didn't let me live peacefully. June smiled. Kids are like this. I have a tablet. I will give it to you. Got a call. Yoongi, tablet is in my bag. Take it by yourself. Ginny is calling me. Yoongi, okay. June left to talk with Jin and Yoongi opened June's bag and took out a tablet and consumed it without checking its name. After a few minutes, their meeting had started. They both were fully concentrating on the presentation, but suddenly Yoongi started feeling uneasiness. First he ignored, but then he started feeling so hot. He loosened his tie. AC was on, but he was sweating like sun was next to his building. He drank water, but nothing happened. He couldn't concentrate on his meeting. He was feeling heated up. His senses started losing. June was sitting next to him. He saw him and asked, June, Yoongi, what happened to you? Yoongi, don't know. June, has your headache increased? Yoongi, headache? Don't know. Right now I'm feeling so hot. What medicine have you given me? June, I gave you headache tablet. It was really very good tablet. Yoongi, to the hell with your tablet. I'm feeling so needy. I want Jimin. June shocked. By which pocket did you take tablet? Yoongi, first one. June, that wasn't headache tablet. That was tablet. Yoongi stood up. What? Mr. Lee. Mr. Min, what happened? Did I say anything wrong? June nervously laughed. No, Mr. Lim. You continue. Yoongi sit on his chair. What are you doing? Sit here properly. Yoongi, how dare you to give me here? Taekook didn't let me sit next to Jimin and you gave me. Started scolding him in whispering tone. June, stop it now. It won't harm you. Yoongi, it won't harm me. It's me. Now I have to solve this problem by myself. June, you can't solve it by yourself. You need Jimin. It was very strong. Yoongi looked at him with widened eyes. What? Why did you need to bring this tablet? I will. You ran from there. Yoongi came back to home and unlocked the door by spare key and saw Jimin was sitting on the couch and watching K-drama. He sat beside him and Jimin looked at him and asked, Jimin, Yoongi, you came back this early? What happened? Why are you sweating this much? Are you alright? Said by wiping his sweat by his sleeves. Yoongi quickly held his both hands. Nothing is fine. I need your help. I am in deep trouble. Jimin, scared. Tell me what happened. I'm ready to do anything. Yoongi, let's go to room. Jimin, go to room? But why? Yoongi, I need you so bad. I can't control anymore. Jimin yanked his hands. What's this be? Nonsense, Here I thought what might have happened and there you are talking about nonsense. How dare you to do this much cheap prank with me? Started hitting him. Yoongi, I'm not pranking. I'm serious. I want you so bad. Jimin, I'm watching your drama since the morning. I told you now we can't do this. Stop doing this cheap tactics. Yoongi held his hand and touched him. I'm not doing any drama. See how much I am. If there was little bit, then I will solve it by myself. But I need you. Please help me. I'm begging you. Jimin widened his eyes. What's this? How's this happened? Because of morning? Yoongi, nah. In the morning, I was just trying to romance little. My head was aching so much. June had the tablet, so I ate it. But that tablet wasn't for that. Jimin, then Yoongi, that was Jimin. What was that? Yoongi, it was to increase the time of romancing. Jimin, means Yoongi, I don't have time to explain you. You will know by yourself. Now come to me. Jimin, what come to me? You know this very well. That Taekook don't even let us sit together and you are planning to do this? Forget about it. Yoongi, no, please don't say like this. Taekook aren't here. We will be free soon. Jimin, who said they aren't here? They went to play in neighbor's house. Yoongi, that's good. Stood up. Now let's go. Cut off by Taekook's voice. Appa, papa. Yoongi fell on the couch. Oh no. Jimin looked at him. What happened? Appa, Cookie is killing Titi with bug. Cook. Wrong, Appa. Cookie only showed Titi that Titi doesn't need to scare from bug. That bug was so small. Appa, you know, Cookie hold bug and brought so close to Titi. Cook. Appa, Titi should be strong like Cookie. Yoongi shouted, stop your bickering. Why did you both come home this early? Go and play more. Taekook looked at him. Yoongi, what are you doing here at this time? You can't bunk your office like this. Go back and earn money. Yoongi, I am your dada, not you are mine. You can't ask this question to me. Jimin hit on his thigh. Shut up, don't argue with them. Yoongi, you should say this to them, not me. Jimin, who need help? You or they? Yoongi remembered me, Jimin. Then Yoongi looked at Teacock and smiled brightly. Tea, Cookie, my precious sons. Today is very hot. Go and eat ice cream. Give him money. Take your friends too, okay? Now go. Tea looked at him. No, Titi and Cookie won't go anywhere. Cook pushed Yoongi and sat beside him. Cookie is happy here. Yoongi, then go and play. Cookie played a lot. Now Cookie won't do anything. Yoongi, then come, let's go and sleep. I'm so sleepy. Tea, go and sleep. Titi and Cookie aren't sleepy. Yoongi tried to give them bribe, but they didn't listen to him. They weren't ready to leave Jimin. They stick with him. Yoongi got an idea. Yoongi, Jimin, you know I was the champion in hide and seek. Nobody catches me. Cookie and Titi are also champion. Yoongi, how can I believe? Tea, then let's play. Titi and Cookie will easily find Tata. Yoongi, okay, me and Jimin in one team and Teacock in other. Now we both will hide and you both will find us. Teacock were counting and Yoongi dragged Jimin inside the room which they don't use. It was at the last Teacock were searching Yunmin. Here, Yoongi locked the room from inside and quickly removed both of their clothes. He didn't turn on the lights because Teacock can doubt on them. Jimin was laying on the bed and Yoongi was hovering over him. They both can feel each other's breeze. Yoongi didn't waste any time and started doing it, while him to surprise his screams because of Yoongi going hard and Jimin was trying to adjust him. He kept pulling his hairs and scratching his back. Room was filled with their muffled time to time. They broke to breathe. Yoongi was whispering sweet words in his ears to distract the pain. They weren't wild couple, they were soft and gentle, but all thanks to June, who made them like this. Yoongi wasn't able to stop himself, whereas Jimin was whole tired and ready to pass out. They both were sweating mess. After few minutes, they both were done. Now Jimin was already passed out. Yoongi didn't want to do this like this. He wanted to do everything while enjoying, but he didn't have time, and plus the effect of didn't let him go slow. Yoongi cleaned themselves and bore their clothes. He picked Jimin in his arms and took him on their room. On the other hand, Teacock were searching them in everywhere. Tea were searching in garden, whereas Cookie was searching them in kitchen. Yoongi came to kitchen and saw Cookie spread all their things. Kitchen was living mess. Cookie was searching them in every container and like they were any bug. Tea wasn't less than him. He broke all the flower pot of the garden and checking them there. Yoongi became mad to see them. He held his head and said, Yoongi, what did you do? You were searching us in container and flower pots. Seriously, do you think we are bug? Team, Titi and Cookie looked everywhere. Dada and Appa, but Dada and Appa weren't anywhere. Yoongi, so you think to spread the kitchen? Now who will clean all this mess? Cook, Dada will clean. And who will clean? Clean them fast. Cookie didn't like mess. Tea and Titi too. Titi and Cookie are going to take bati. Prepare some tasty food. Let's go, Cookie. Left. Yoongi, hey, where are you going? Come back and at least help me. They gone. Kim Namjoon, I will. It all happened because of you. Here, Yoongi was cleaning the mess there. Teacock took the bath and saw Jimin was sleeping. So they both slept beside each side of him. Now neither Junki will forget this romance nor Teacock will play hide and seek again. I can write more in romance part, but because of YT restrictions, I can't. Never consume any medicine in hurry. First properly check its name and expiry date. Your simple mistake can cause your life too. Romancing after having twins is like going on secret mission without any backup plan. Small children are so possessive, you have to trick them. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Satisfied with Yunmin's romance? I know you all are. See, I fulfilled your demand. Now do comments and pay me back. Raising twins are so difficult task, especially if they are troublemaker like Teacock. Teacock was so naughty, poor Junki. All the time he was running behind them and thinking the way to get rid away from them. But he forget that Teacock are his sons. They won't accept defeat this easily. Both Yunmin will always remember this romance and Teacock will never play hide and seek with Yunmin. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.